Okay, so this literally just came from Amazon. It's a new microphone. Like, I don't have enough of these things right now, but I don't have one quite like this. FIFINE technology. Opening. So what do we got here? We got this. Thank you little thing. We got a manual, quick setup thing here. Whoa. What else we got here? Piece of foam. And we got the actual receiver, wireless microphone. That's the receiver. I'll put that there. We got garbage. What do we got in here? Oh, that's the actual lavalier. It's got a nice, looks like an actual real kind of mic connection that you'd see. Okay, more foam. This is an actual headset microphone. Same kind of input there. Not sure if we'll actually use this, but we'll see. It's not actually, these aren't headphones or anything. This is just to keep it on your head, so there's that. And there's the real good stuff right there. That's the transmitter. And then, of course, we got an adapter, which is going to be the thing we use to connect to our smartphone. So there's two of them. But I'll have to get some batteries for this. 2 AA's in that one. And then looks like two more AA's in that one. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a pause and then we'll get back to the video. Okay, so I already did the unboxing for this video, and then when I went to go get batteries and change things out, and I kind of lost the audio, so I didn't really finish it, but I figured might as well just go on into the look of it all and setting it up and everything like that. See how it works. So this is the receiver. From the first part of the video, there was two of these guys. I wasn't sure which was which, but really one is for the phone, as it says right there. Phone, and the other one's for like your DSLR or computer or whatever you want it to go to. So that was the difference between the two of them. I care about the smartphone one, the TRRS one. Put that down for a second. And then this is the transmitter. And like what I said in the first part of the video, this one actually takes AA, 2 AA, and this one takes 2 AAA. So this one takes smaller batteries. See, 2 AAA. And like the build quality of this thing, like it's not the highest quality for sure. Seems like this battery door will probably break at some point. Hopefully you don't have to change the batteries too frequently. There's a little antenna on here, which is pretty cool. And then on this guy, really not much to explain on this. Little belt clip. It's pretty tight fitting. Will definitely fit tight on there. And then we got our little microphone here. So to turn this on, basically all you gotta do is push and hold. Then you get your frequency there. And then you turn this on. Green flashing light, and as soon as it turns red, that's when you're paired. So this is actually working now. The only thing that's missing is to plug it into the phone. So maybe what we'll do is get things a little situated here, and we'll do some audio tests compared to the mic that I'm currently talking through, which is one of the ones from this setup, which I have a previous video for. Maybe I can link a description or a link to this video, and we'll compare the two, the FIFINE wireless one to the U mic. But I have more, but I don't think I'll be comparing them anytime soon. But let's compare these two because they're the newest two that I got. Okay, so now we're going to actually do the comparison of the audio. So right now we actually have both the mics turned on right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the FIFINE wireless one off. And right now we're just talking through the U mic. So how does it sound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'll go ahead and we'll turn the wireless one back on. It's connected. And then I'm going to turn off or unplug the U mic. How does this sound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which mic do you think's better? Is the FIFINE one, the wireless one, which has the capability to actually get, I could walk far away into another room with this quality, and with the U mic, which I'll plug in right now. With the U mic, it's got a long enough cord, you could potentially walk into another room, but you know, you're still tied to a cord. That's the main thing I don't like about one of the 1, 2, 3, 4 lavaliers that I have now. 4 lavaliers, 3 different setups. Is that I don't like all the cords you got to deal with. So that's why I bought this one, which I'm going to turn back right on right now. Which is why I bought this one. Because this one's good because you can unhook all the way from the cords. You have just a little cord here, and you can walk all the way over here. You can walk over here. You can walk wherever you want, which is what I really like about this one. The cord's not too long on this guy. You can put it in your pocket or do whatever you want. So I like that. I definitely don't regret buying this one, the FIFINE wireless one. I have a couple of lavaliers that all work. Well, the one that I bought only goes into a TRS one, and it doesn't seem to even work in any setup that I use. Okay, I'm going to plug back. Okay, now we're back on just the U mic. Guess I gotta put it back on. Okay, now we're back just on the U mic. And yeah, so basically, I lost my train of thought. And there's also shotgun mics, which is what I actually had come with my rig, this guy here, which I also did an unboxing and a little review on. But this one, because it came with the rig, you know, the rig was 80 bucks. It came with a light, this light right here, which I also, it's okay, but it's just LED, so it's a little blinding. But this one, you know, you got to turn it all the way up to 20 decibels. It takes a battery, and it still doesn't do a very good job. So I don't really like this one. So I actually